Alright guys, welcome back. I am now back in my setup. Let's get this shit. Alright, so we are bullish. I feel like as though today is going to be a continuation day for Monday. High time from SSMT for YM and an SMT gap fill. I missed that opportunity earlier. RIP. And yeah, my goal is to look for some sort of retracement. If I can get a retracement going before entering, that would be really cool. Alright, so New York Open. Let's see what I'll do. Actually, we have a high time from SSMT with like bearish over here too. So it's not just bullish, it's also bearish. Okay, hold on. I might actually have to switch my bias a little bit. Well, shit. Alright. Because we are above midnight open. NQ is probably going to take out that previous daily high before going downwards. ES is going down. YM is going down too. What the hell? Alright, I'm going to change my approach to this. You can have anyone. So one of my theory, like, YM fails to sweep a previous session high while we are sweeping a previous session high, and it looks as though we were going to sweep a previous daily high on NQ. So I said, if an asset, one of my theories is that if an asset sweeps a previous daily high while NQ, or while another one sweeps a previous session high low, standard deviation in key opens is the key to reversal, not SSMTs. That's what I put down. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a bit of FOMO with ES, but rip. Very interesting.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Oh my god, volatility is crazy. All right, I guess this is my one and only trade for today. Yo, my stop loss is only like a little bit, and it's already risking $250. That is okay. All right, so I entered off of New York City Open, and yeah, let's see what happens. AKA hits negative 2.25. Targeting, we're gonna fuck. We're gonna target 830. So 830 would be 143. Switching. Usually when I risk 4 micros, it'd probably be like the stop loss would be like 150. But like, oh my god, that volatility is crazy. Alright, I want to target this, like put my stops to break even, maybe like right here. Maybe target this imbalance here. Alright, so we'll do a I'm gonna de-risk a bit because that momentum, I really like that momentum. We're going to put a limit buy for 2 cons here, targeting the inefficiency or the imbalance. Stops the break even. Okay, we can put our shit to break even. That's cool. All right, risk-free trade. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
All right, we secured 183 on both accounts. All right, we have to let the rest play out. My initial plan was wait for the previous daily high to be swept and like maybe top take -3, but then I saw these rejection wicks at -2.5, and I saw that we were gonna breach through 930 open. So I saw this, I'm like, okay, yeah, that's dope. I like that. Sometimes like you have to react what the market gives you rather than just keep marrying your bias. All right, just secured like a $200 day. So I mean, there's potential I can take it to midnight open. Where is that at? 26.85. I'll just target 8:30. Just kind of want to be done with it. Like, I would love to target midnight and daily open, but the thing is, like, since like ES is now below midnight open, YM is below midnight open too, and NQ is still like above midnight open, we can deadass like retrace like anytime now, just based off of that. Simply, we just gotta wait and see. Damn, that is a fucking GG's Powell. I have a feeling that Powell definitely entered in this shit. Okay. No comment on that. Alright, there's like these inefficiencies here. I'm going to preserve more capital. Let's preserve like at least $100. Alright, 300 secured. Oh my god, we are straight dumping on this shit. Holy fuck. Oh my god. We also have news in 18 minutes, I'm assuming. I know it's tentative, but like just knowing when news is about to drop, it's always 8:30 or 10 or 2. Just judging by the way how it is, it probably just drop at 2. Yo, November price action fire? I'm gonna move my shit to like more in profit once 10 a.m. hits. Moved it to, you know, more into profit because we were challenging this inefficiency here. copy trading this? All right, cool. I was about to say, like, if I wasn't copy trading this, that would be unfortunate. All right, 5 seconds until 1 minute closes. We're still twerking on this 15-minute fair value gap. Won't be surprised if there is a rebalance comes up here. Ooh, that bird. Check. Check my melody. Check. I just got edged.
Order filled.
All right, that's game. All right, let's see where YM is at. So, what? I create a down close candle afterwards. Yeah, honestly, I wasn't trying to like risk that. ES is below midnight open, and in a fair value gap. YM is below all of these key opens and whatnot. Secure the profits when you can, guys. And that is beautiful momentum. I shouldn't have trailed so aggressively. Hey man, I take $800 days whenever, however.